Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can view your recent activity for your boards, lists, and cards on Trello really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive right into it. So as you can see, I'm inside that workspace here on Trello just for the sake of this tutorial. What you want to do first step is select the board, of course, from that list here to the left. And let's say, for example, here to the right, I would like to archive, edit, or remove a card from that list to show the recent activity. So to view the recent activity, all you need to do, guys, is left click on the given card. Let's go, for example, with that assignment or task here, and left click on it. And after that, you will see the recent activity tab here inside that window. Now, as you can see, there's no recent activity because I haven't done anything with that card or assignment yet. However, guys, if I, for example, change the due date of the given assignment, for example, by clicking on dates here and select the due date, let's say Friday, 23rd May, and confirm by clicking on save here, and click off, for example, and click again or access the given card again, you will see that the activity will be updated to the most recent activity, which is, for example, changing the due date to this date here. So that's where you will find all the recent activities for your cards and to-do lists on Trello. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.